Very good evening to all of you, and it's my proud privilege to be here on this platform. And firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Priyanka Mishra, a Reiki Grandmaster, practicing Healy since last 30 years, practicing Reiki since last 30 years, and I'm into various types of healing and trying to heal people across the globe. And I am really grateful and thankful from the core of my heart to Sujata Masi, who introduced me to this Healy, then Jyoti ma'am, and obviously Leena, ever smiling, evergreen Leena. Thank you so much. And I have lots of testimony, and it's difficult to share and select just a few of them. I'm also a professor in a reputed institute for architecture and planning. And when I was introduced to Healy, I was really excited, and there was no doubt that I will buy it or not. And immediately I had decided that I am going for it because I'm able to help so many people, which I will not be able to do if I am doing healing or practicing healing alone. So this is a very, very added advantage that I have. And as soon as I started practicing, working with Healy, I really found a tremendous change. I used to feel always tired. And when I got up in the morning, I was always tired as if I didn't have any sleep. And as soon as I started Healy, I think just I used for 2 days, and I realized that fatigue is almost gone. And I had I started developing knee pain, and that it was very difficult for me to rise up the stairs. And within 3 or 4 days, I think that knee pain has been reduced to by 70%. So that is really tremendous, and it's improving day by day. And soon I am sure I'll be able to run across the stairs. And I also was developing some pigmentation on my feet that showed that there was some blood clots in my vessels, for which I was really scared to some extent. And within last 15 days, since I have been using around 20 days, those pigmentations have reduced by 70-80%. So that is another tremendous benefit of Healy and a miracle. And my mother, she used to have sleep issues. She couldn't sleep. She used to get up to go to the restroom every hour or 2 hours, because of which she has a very disturbed sleep, and sometimes she couldn't sleep after that. And I was giving her healing. She was not very sure that I'm giving her regularly. And since I was keeping very busy, I couldn't talk to her during that time also. And then she suddenly said, "Oh, last few days, I'm sleeping so well. I don't know what is happening." And then I told her that this is Healy actually. And that is another testimony. Even with my daughter and my sister and so many clients I'm using Healy, they are showing very beautiful results. Fatigue, that is a very important aspect, and knee pain, that is another important aspect. Even the hair fall, that has reduced. The glow on the skin, that I think, which I was losing because of lack of sleep, for me also, that is gradually coming back. And about the emotional aspects, my God, that is too much to talk about. I used to, because maybe because of menopausal symptoms and all, I used to get hurt very quickly, and little things used to trigger me suddenly. And when Lena had done my aura analysis, she told that impatience is one of the backflow remedy that you need. And I said, yes, I keep that in my purse always. And whenever I feel there is a trigger, I take the impatience and I feel relaxed. And since last 15 days, I have taken it out from my purse. I have not even used it for a day. So that trigger, which was hurting me, which was disturbing me, once triggered any issue, even small issue, that part has completely gone from my life. And I was not ready to be happy. I thought, okay, I have so many works to do. Let me finish, then I'll be happy. So that little joy in my life I was always missing. And that I have again found. You can see the smile on my face, and that is very genuine smile, right? And that resilience has increased. Thank you so much, Lena.